In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate HubSpot to access and earn certificates, which can be a valuable addition to your professional skill set. Now, HubSpot Academy offers a diverse range of certifications that can help you improve your marketing, sales, customer service, and CRM skills, positioning you as an expert in your field. Whether you're enhancing your resume or deepening your knowledge, following these steps will guide you to achieving those certifications. First, let's begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your company name displayed, usually alongside your profile picture. Click on your company name to open a drop-down menu. This menu is key, as it contains several options that allow you to navigate through different areas of the platform. From this drop-down, you'll want to select HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy is your go-to resource for all the educational content offered by HubSpot. It's packed with various courses and certifications designed to enhance your skills. Clicking on this will direct you to a page specifically dedicated to learning and certifications. Next, you'll scroll down the page to locate the section dedicated to certificates. Here, you'll find a list of available certificates, each linked to its respective course. This area is organized to help you easily identify the courses you're interested in. As you scroll, take note of the wide variety of topics available, ranging from content marketing to sales enablement, each with skills to help bolster your professional toolkit. Once you've familiarized yourself with the available options, look for the button that says View All Certificates. Clicking this will take you to a comprehensive listing of every certificate offered by HubSpot. This is a fantastic place to compare courses and choose the one that aligns best with your personal or professional goals. After deciding on the particular certificate you wish to pursue, you'll need to select it. When you click on a certificate, you'll see an Enroll option. Clicking Enroll commences the chosen course. Do keep in mind, completion of the entire course is necessary to earn your certificate. It involves watching instructional videos, completing quizzes, and in some cases, additional assignments or tests. Earning these certificates not only demonstrates your commitment to professional growth, but also equips you with practical knowledge and tools applicable in your field. These steps, while straightforward, set the stage for meaningful learning experiences. By following along, you are taking a significant step in advancing your career with the right credentials. Remember, consistency is key, so carve out regular time to engage with your course materials thoroughly. Enjoy the journey of learning and skill enhancement with HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your educational endeavors.